Get rid of dull skin naturally. There are a variety of reasons why many of us are losing our natural glow, including stress, a hectic schedule, damaging sun rays, pollution, and other factors that cause the skin's surface to become dull and dry. Some of the most typical signs of dull skin are a lack of shine and a fatigued expression on your face. Here are some of the best and most effective ways to revitalize your dull skin and make it glow naturally. 1. Lemons. Lemon's vitamin C acts as a bleaching agent, making your skin seem brighter and more luminous. It also helps to eliminate tan marks and is regarded as one of the greatest cosmetic tips for a radiant complexion. Sugar granules have an exfoliating action, which aids in the removal of dead skin cells. Combine thoroughly 2 tablespoons fresh lemon juice and 2 tablespoons sugar. Gently scrub your face with the mixture in a circular motion. Leave on your face for about 10 minutes and then rinse with warm water. This mixture can be used twice a week. 2. Aloe Vera. Aloe Vera's nourishing and therapeutic characteristics aid in the natural improvement of dull skin. It's good for your skin since it's high in vitamins and antioxidants, which make your skin smooth and supple. Combine 1 tablespoon fresh aloe vera gel, a pinch of turmeric, 1 tablespoon honey, and 1 tablespoon milk. Distribute the mixture evenly around your face and neck. Leave on your face for 20 minutes and then rinse with lukewarm water. For best results, apply this face pack once or twice a week. 3. Honey. Honey is a simple ingredient with humectant and calming properties, making it one of the greatest cosmetic suggestions for dry and dull skin. It hydrates your skin deeply, giving it a young appearance. Honey also helps to keep your skin clean by aiding in the battle against infections because of its antibacterial characteristics. After washing your face, pat it dry, and apply 2 tablespoons of honey evenly and gently across your face in a circular motion. Allow it to sit on your face for 5 minutes, and then wash with lukewarm water. You'll get terrific results by using this treatment every other day. 4. Yogurt. Yogurt's lactic acid is healthy for your skin, and it moisturizes your face, which helps to decrease fine lines and wrinkles. It keeps your skin glowing and enhances suppleness, and it's the greatest way to transform dull skin into radiant skin. Mix together 1 tablespoon of yogurt and 1 tablespoon of flour. Distribute the mixture evenly around your face and neck, allow it to soak on your face for 15 minutes, and then wash with lukewarm water. 5. Cucumber. Cucumber contains antioxidants that assist to refresh and repair tired skin. It has a cooling impact on your face and enhances your complexion, making dull skin glow naturally. Cucumber has the same pH level as your skin, thus it keeps your skin moisturized. In a mixing bowl, grate 1 cucumber and combine it with 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Apply the mixture evenly to your face and neck, leave for 5 minutes, and then wash with cold water. For best results, use this solution 3 times each week. 6. Milk. Milk is high in skin-friendly saturated fats, protein, calcium, and vitamin C, while honey's hydrating and antibacterial characteristics add to your skin's radiance. Combine together 2 tablespoons milk, 1 tablespoon honey, and 1 tablespoon flour into a smooth paste. Gently apply paste to face and neck, leave in place for 20 minutes, and then rinse with warm water. For best results, apply this face pack twice a day. Drop a comment below to let us know which method is your favorite. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.